So there's your diff Mac for Mack trucks only, unless they want to sell it to the world. Now what it is a speed ratio of 3.3 to 1 with a reduction of 5.3 to 1. Now the reduction is 1.15 and 1.15. So that's a total of 2.3 plus 3 equals a reduction of 5.3 to 1. Now the speed ratio, so this turns one turn to that turning, this turns 1.15 turns to this turning one turn. Alright, so you add that plus this is so this turns one turn, which you can class as 1.15 turns. Alright, so that's a total of and that theoretically works out the same. So theoretically it's 0.3, alright, plus 3 equals 3.3 to 1 speed ratio. Alright, so there you go. Can you see that, Mac? So that's 10 teeth, that, just to make it easy to calculate, that's 11.5 teeth, and that's 11.5 teeth and 10 teeth, and that's 20 teeth on the crown and pinion, and 60 teeth, 3 to 1, and there you go. So it's very simple. So that's what you need. So as you see, you'll have a reduction of 5.3 to 1, and a speed ratio of 3.3 to 1, which is what you wanted. So it's the revs are low at 100, but your reduction will be 5.3 to 1. And what will happen is, so apparently everybody can run a 4.6 to 1 diff. That's all they can run, otherwise the engine's revving too high. And so we'll calculate it as a 4.6 diff. So what I mean was 4.6 is 100% that we're trying to compare with, but ours is 5.3. So 4.6 plus 5.3 is 0.7. So 0.7 goes into 4.6. 7 fours 28, and 7 fives 45. So 7 fives are 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 45. So it's close enough. So 45 and 1 into 7 fives are 45. So 1. So that's 7.7%. So that's 7.7 into hang on, 7.7. Is that 7.7? 7.7. Yeah, 7.7 into 100. So that goes 10%. 7.7 into 100 goes, so that's 10 times 7.7, 77. And what's left over? So it's 10%, that's 7.7. That's 7.7 goes into 100. 10% is 77. And what's left over? 23. 73 is 21. So that's 13%, and we've got 0.2. So it's about 13%. So how many times does 2 go into 7.7? How many times does 0.2 go into 100? So 7.7. So 0.2 goes into 100. So that's it goes 5 times 10, 50 times. So that's so it's 13.5 times. So it's a 13.5% torque advantage over a 4.6 to 1 diff with this diff, that ratio. So I think I got it right. And Kenworth has their engine torque 2360 foot-pounds of torque, 650 horsepower over Mack 500 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. Has I think a 11.5 or 12% advantage. So we've got more, so we've got 13.5% advantage. So that's extra. Theoretically, our truck will behave like it's got a. So what's say I don't know, say 1.5% over Kenworth. So that's for every 1,000. That's for every 1.5%. So that's 15. Hang on, that's not 15. That's every 1,000. So hang on. Hang on. So one is one is 100. It behave like it's got. Hang on. It behave like it's got. 15 on that 15% extra torque. So 15 times 30% extra torque. In 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30. That's 9. What do I do? So 39 foot-pounds extra torque, then a Cummins X15D. So it'll be theoretically the MP8 will behave with this diff like it's got 2399 foot-pounds of torque, and the horsepower will go up too due to being able to accelerate easy. So there you go, Max. So it's all me. So yeah, I'd use it. 30% it wasn't, so I just worked it out. So anyway, there you go, Max. So that's your diff. So that'll help you out. So your little 2060 MP8 HE will have the power, a bit more power than a X15D. So physics trick. And yeah, you can put the wing cam in and twin turbos, but yeah, if you don't want to touch the engine, which I understand, because when you're on a good thing, stick to it. So so when you detune your engine down to whatever you got to detune it to, you have more power, because Cummins will also have the detune, so you'll be able to beat them anyway.